Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we have something that's making waves in the world of tools: the Fanttik E1 Max electric screwdriver. The best electric screwdriver with magnetic features on the market. This sleek, mini electric screwdriver is not just stylish. It's packed with impressive features that cater to all your electronic repair needs. Whether you're working on smartphones, cameras, laptops, or even watches, the Fanttik E1 Max is designed to make your tasks quicker and more efficient. One of the standout features of the E1 Max is its 50-in-1 magnetic bits set. It includes a comprehensive range of bits categorized into 9 types, ensuring that you have the right tool for any job at hand. The bits are made from durable S2 hardened steel, promising longevity and effectiveness. Switching between bits is a breeze, thanks to the magnetic chuck that securely holds them in place. This ensures that you won't have to worry about losing any bits during your work. Plus, the magnetic storage case keeps everything organized and at your fingertips, making it easy to find exactly what you need when you need it. Equipped with 2 torque settings, 0.2 Nm for precision tasks and 0.05 Nm for lighter applications, this screwdriver adapts to your needs. For those tougher jobs, it also offers a manual torque option of up to 3 Nm, giving you the flexibility to handle a variety of projects with ease. Another fantastic aspect of the E1 Max is its powerful rechargeable battery. Once fully charged, this tool can operate up to 400 screws, which is incredibly efficient. The USB Type-C charging port means you can conveniently power up your screwdriver without hassle. And with a robust motor capable of reaching speeds up to 200 RPM, you'll find that even the most tedious tasks are completed in a snap. The Fanttik E1 Max isn't just about power and efficiency, it's also about user experience. The satisfying pop-up mechanism of the magnetic case adds a touch of fun to every use, while the aluminum alloy construction ensures durability without sacrificing portability. It's time to put this tool to the test. Let's see how it performs on some common tasks. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, and the lightweight build means you can work for extended periods without feeling fatigued. In conclusion, the Fanttik E1 Max mini electric screwdriver stands out as the best electric screwdriver with magnetic features available today. Its blend of versatility, efficiency, and ease of use makes it a must-have for anyone who frequently engages in electronic repairs. If you're looking for a reliable tool that enhances your workflow, the E1 Max is certainly worth considering. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gadget reviews. Let us know in the comments what tools you can't live without, and we'll catch you in the next video.